children get to just be children. Black Lives Matter.
In a world divided by color, a silent war rages on. A war between black and white, between oppression and resilience.
Black lives have always mattered. We have always been important. We have always meant something.
Yet, amidst this turmoil, one man's actions have echoed across the globe, leaving humanity both inspired and heartbroken. Stay with us as we uncover the tragic and mysterious events that led to tears and transformation. This is a story you will never forget. The Roots of the Divide. The history of racial conflict is one written in pain and perseverance. For centuries, the clash between black and white has shaped societies, creating systems of injustice that persist to this day. Entire communities were torn apart, families destroyed, and dreams shattered under the weight of systemic oppression. Generations of people grew up knowing only fear and prejudice, perpetuating a cycle of mistrust. While many have fought to heal these wounds through protests, education, and advocacy, the scars remain, deep and unyielding. The world has witnessed countless moments of hope and heartbreak, yet true unity often feels like a distant dream. But what happens when a figure of immense influence decides to intervene? Could one person's vision break the cycle? Elon Musk enters the scene. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation and ambition. Known for revolutionizing industries and reaching beyond the stars, Musk has always been seen as a man driven by the impossible. Yet his sudden involvement in the racial battle caught many by surprise. It all began with a tweet, just a few words, but they carried the weight of centuries. Humanity's strength lies in unity, not division. Let us come together before it's too late. For some, it was a call to action. For others, it was met with skepticism. What could a billionaire tech mogul possibly do to solve an issue so deeply rooted in history? This question lingered until Musk announced his groundbreaking initiative, the Catalyst for Change. At first, the world dismissed Musk's words as another idealistic plea, but soon actions followed. Musk revealed Harmony, a global initiative aimed at dismantling systemic racism through technology, education, and community empowerment. This was not just a charity project, it was a calculated, data-driven approach to addressing inequality at its core. Harmony's mission was to bring people together by fostering understanding and cooperation. Using advanced AI, the initiative aimed to identify and eliminate racial biases in decision-making processes across industries. Educational programs were launched to teach empathy and cultural awareness. Community centers were built in underserved areas, providing resources for growth and healing. It was unlike anything ever attempted before, yet skepticism lingered. Could this ambitious project succeed where so many had failed? Stories of pain and hope. Harmony's foundation was built on the voices of those who had endured the worst. Musk's team traveled to the most affected communities, sitting with people and listening to their stories. These were tales of unimaginable pain. A mother grieving the loss of her son to a senseless act of violence. A young boy too scared to walk to school because of the color of his skin. An elderly man who had lived through segregation, only to see its shadow cast over his grandchildren's lives. But within these stories, there was also hope. The resilience of a young girl who dreamed of becoming a doctor despite the odds. A community that came together to rebuild after tragedy struck. These voices were the heart of Harmony, reminding the world that healing was possible. The unexpected tragedy. No great effort comes without challenges, and Harmony was no exception. As the initiative gained momentum, it faced resistance from powerful forces. Backlash came in waves, with threats, sabotage, and public criticism attempting to derail the project. Then, tragedy struck. During a visit to a community event, one of Musk's closest team members, a young, idealistic woman named Ava, was killed in a racially motivated attack. Ava had been a beacon of hope, tirelessly working to bring people together. Her death sent shockwaves around the globe, casting a shadow over Harmony's progress. Musk's resolve was tested like never before. Would this tragedy mark the end of the project, or fuel its mission even further? Musk's emotional response. In a rare and deeply personal public address, Elon Musk spoke to the world. Standing before a grieving audience, he fought back tears as he said, "Ava believed in a future where no child has to fear their neighbor. She believed in the power of unity. We owe it to her, and to everyone who has suffered, to make that future a reality." His words resonated deeply, igniting a wave of global support for Harmony. People from all walks of life joined the movement, turning their pain into action. Ava's sacrifice became a symbol of the project's purpose, inspiring countless others to stand up against hate and division. The mystery of Musk's final act. As Harmony reached its peak, Musk made a surprising announcement. He revealed the creation of an AI-driven platform designed to expose and dismantle racial biases in real time. This cutting-edge technology promised to revolutionize industries by ensuring fairness in hiring, education, law enforcement, and beyond. But there was an unexpected twist. Musk declared that he would step away from his companies to dedicate his life fully to Harmony. The decision shocked the world. Why would a man at the height of his career leave it all behind? Speculation ran wild, but Musk's true motivations remained a mystery. What was it about this cause that compelled him to make such a profound sacrifice? The world responds. Harmony's impact was undeniable. Governments implemented new policies to address racial inequality. Communities once divided by mistrust began to rebuild together. Educational programs inspired a new generation to value empathy and understanding. Yet the journey was far from over. True change required relentless effort and the courage of ordinary people to continue the work. Musk's sacrifice became a symbol of what humanity could achieve when united. Harmony was no longer just an initiative, it was a movement, driven by millions of voices demanding a better future. 9. A legacy of tears and triumph. Today, Harmony stands as a testament to what's possible when we choose love over hate. Ava's memory, along with the countless others who suffered in silence, lives on in every act of kindness, every step toward justice. Their stories remind us of the cost of division and the power of compassion. And Elon Musk's actions, though controversial to some, leave an enduring question in our hearts. What are we willing to sacrifice for a better world? Thank you for joining us on this journey through tragedy, mystery, and hope. If this story moved you, share it. Let it spark conversations that matter. Together, we can be the change. Until next time, stay inspired, stay united, and remember, we are stronger together.